Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video we are going to download Internet Download Manager alternative on Ubuntu, and that is Extreme Download Manager. Here you can see the link, and the query is Extreme Download Manager. Open the website and scroll down to download the setup, and here we have two setups, 7.2.10 and 7.2.8. We will go with the latest version. Click OK, save as, and click OK to download the setup and wait for a bit. After the download of the setup, go to the directory and click extract here. Open the folder. Now click here, right click here, open the terminal, open in terminal, and first you have to gain the root access by typing sudo sh and then type the password, and then here you have to write chmod plus x plus the file name you want to install.sh, and then you have to write the executable of the .sh file and press enter. Our download installation has completed. Here we have the document to install our sh file. Anyway, here you can see how to install. Now we will run it. As we can see, we have run our Extreme Download Manager by typing the command from the document. Now we will integrate it with our web browser by allowing the extensions. Click extensions and themes, extensions, and type here XDM. You can also type Xtreme or XDM, and click Extreme Browser Monitor and add to your web browser. Now XDM has been successfully integrated with your web browser. To check it, open any video on your web browser. I will open YouTube and will show you how to download a video using Extreme Download Manager. A pop-up is appear. Click on download video and download your video. Here you can see the download is starting and has been. Close the terminal, and this one as well, and here you can see you have the icon to open your Extreme Download Manager. Here is your download, and remove it because I don't need it. That's all from